Hello friends, welcome to lmsdaily.com. In today's video, we will see how as a site admin, you will be able to see the changes made to the config file in Moodle. There might be cases that you are having a few more users added as a site admin for your Moodle site. And one of the admins has made some changes which has resulted in some problems. So as a primary site admin, you would like to investigate which admin has done that changes. So you can just log into your Moodle site as a admin and then go to the config changes report to find out which changes have been done by which user. So you need to log in as an admin user on your Moodle site and go to the site admin page here, and then go to the reports tab. On this reports tab, you will see the third link as config changes. So this is the report which we are interested in right now. So just click on this one, and here you will see the list of all the changes made on your Moodle site config file by which user on which date and time, and then what are the settings affected by this change. So as you can see that this user has changed the value of the site admins, and it has added one more user as a site admin. So it means that now the original site admins were only one, and now it has resulted in one more site admin by this change made by this user. So this report can also be exported as a CSV file or any other format which you would like to download, and then you can just analyze the file, like which user has done which changes, to investigate if there is any problem on your Moodle site. And this report is pretty useful for the site admins to investigate all such cases. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.